Yeah. It's not real. I don't even wanna go back home.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mayra speaking over here. I'm gonna be doing a review and unboxing of Yolova hair. It's a company that reached out to me and decided to send me this beautiful unit. I'm telling you guys, I am obsessed with this hair. It's beautiful, it's silk, it's long. Although I'm not a fan of long hair just because I get annoyed easily, but this is beautiful. This is what the hair looks like. This is the inside of the wig. It's really nice. Comes with the little combs. I removed those. All the details for the hair are listed in the screen as you. So I'm gonna start off by fixing the lace. I'm going to bleach the knots, and those are the products that I used. And I'm just applying the bleach all over the lace, making sure that it doesn't over bleach. I have an issue with over bleaching, but this time I think I did good because I didn't have to fix it. After bleaching the knots, I went ahead and I plugged the wig a little bit more. The wig already comes pre-plugged, but I like to give it that extra plugging to customize it a little more to my liking. And yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. I'm not gonna show too much because nobody wants to see me removing little pieces of hair from a wig. So we're gonna move on to the next thing. Okay, for application, for this week, I'm gonna be doing the bold cap method. Usually that's what I do mostly when I know that I'm gonna stay with the wig for a long time. And I decided that I was gonna wear this wig for at least 1 or 2 weeks because it looks amazing. I sprayed some got-to-be spray on the wig cap to make sure it's secure to my head. I of course prep my hair properly beforehand. And yeah, and then I cut the lace, and honestly I'm just gonna let you guys watch and I'm gonna say what's necessary. I don't know, I just feel like this part, it's pretty self-explanatory. You guys can see what I'm doing. I don't want to just, talk too much, but yeah, this hair is stunning, you guys. I received 26 inches straight human hair, very beautiful. I used some lace tint, which made it look a lot more natural. And as you guys can see, I cut a little bit on the sides. The wig fits me very well. I would say that it's a little bit big, but because my natural hair is super thick, I prefer the wigs to be a little bit bigger than tighter. And it also gives you room to, make sure the wig fits your front, and you can cut whatever amount of lace that it's not necessary. So for application, I went ahead and I did 3 layers of my bold hold. I did the first coat when I put it around the wig cap to secure it, and then I did 2 more coats. So when I apply my wigs, I like to work in sections. Here you guys can see how I am applying the glue, which I use the bold hold glue, and I did 3 coats. The first coat I applied all over the wig cap all over the line of the wig cap, and then the 2 second coats, I did it section by section because I was gonna apply the wig. I work first the middle and then the sides. As you guys can see, I used my blow dryer as well to help speed up the process of drying. So this is how the hair is looking. You guys can see it looks really nice. I just make sure, you know, with the small comb and the blow dryer in the cold setting, I make sure I run through the hairline a little bit until I feel like it's dry enough for me to wrap it. So I decided to keep the baby hairs very minimal for this unit. I'm just gonna do the little swoops on the sides and the baby hairs near the ears, and then I'm gonna work on the hair a little bit. I'm gonna use some wax stick and my hot comb to make sure the hair lays flat on the top of my head. We don't want no bulky hair over here. We don't do that. That's not cute. That's not classy. By the way, guys, this is like my 4th hot comb. For some reason they keep breaking and stop working and stuff like that. I don't know. But yeah, and then I went ahead with my flat iron and I make sure I slicked this hair to the gods, period. I didn't show it here, but I did apply some heat protectant. I always apply heat protectant when I can't even speak. I always apply heat protectant even though I'm not showing it on camera, just because I don't want the video to be too long or too crazy or anything like that. But it's common sense that you're supposed to use heat protectant on your hair. But yeah, this hair took in the heat very nicely. I didn't have to really pass twice with the flat iron. It's a personal choice. I like to make sure and double check and double do just in case. I went ahead and I went one more time with the hot comb, and then here I'm going to cut my lace. I try to cut it as close as the hair as possible. I would say that a few days after application, I noticed that I didn't do it as close. Sometimes I play it safe and I leave some lace at the front just because I'm scared that I might cut too much. But I ended up fixing it later on, like a few days after. But it looked great. It looked amazing on the video because the hair is that nice. I cut the baby hairs. I used the flat iron to curl the baby hairs, and then with some mousse or wrapping mousse, whatever you want to call it, I went ahead and I finished styling them, and then I wrapped them to make sure they stay in place. We like our baby hairs to stay in place over here. And yeah, I'm just gonna do that. This hair is honestly really nice. I feel like the lace it's very nice as well. It, with the help of the tint, of course, and the, you know, bleaching the knots and everything, it looked amazing. But the hair didn't need any extra plugging. That's a personal choice, a personal thing that I personally like to do. So this is the hair after I finish styling it. As you guys can see, it looks amazing. I'm just going through with the comb and the flat hair one more time. Anyways, like, this hair, it's amazing. It's super beautiful, super slick. It's thick. You guys can see from the back how beautiful and how long it is. It literally, basically on my butt's length. It's literally butt length. I just love it. Very beautiful hair. Anyways, guys, this is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little transformation. I love the hair. You guys should definitely go ahead and check out Yolova's website. I'm gonna link everything on my description box, as you guys already know. All the deals, all the links, all the information that you might need is gonna be on my description box. Please make sure to comment and let me know what do you think about this little wig installation tutorial. And yeah, and of course, like the video if you enjoyed it. Bye, muchos besitos. Mwah.